Why should you choose MongoDB? Let's discover the 5 key advantages of this modern NoSQL database. MongoDB offers a flexible and scalable solution for your data storage needs, which is well suited for modern applications. MongoDB offers document flexibility, thanks to its schema-less design. You can dynamically add fields without needing to restructure your database. The provided JSON code block illustrates this flexibility. As you can see, a document can contain various fields like name, email, age, skills, and even a nested address object, without requiring a predefined structure. MongoDB provides horizontal scalability. Its built-in Sharding feature distributes data across multiple servers automatically. In the scaling diagram, you can see that initially all the data resides in a single shard, that is, shard 1. As the data grows, MongoDB automatically distributes it across multiple shards, such as shard 1, shard 2, and shard 3, ensuring optimal performance and load distribution. MongoDB delivers high performance, optimized for speed with advanced indexing and memory-mapped storage. Some of the features that contribute to its high performance are in-memory processing, advanced indexing, aggregation pipeline, and native replication. MongoDB uses JSON-Like Documents. The BSON format provides a natural data representation for modern applications. The provided JSON code block showcases how data is stored in MongoDB, with fields like ID, product, price, in-stock status, tags, and specifications organized in a clear and intuitive manner. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.